done my foundation, powder, and my eyebrows, and I've also done my under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go in and prime my eyelids with the Shape Tape as well. Taking it with like a fluffy concealer brush, this one's from e.l.f. I'm just blending in my concealer. I'm just gonna set my eyelids with some translucent powder. While I let my eyelids set, I'm gonna go in with my KKW Beauty Medium Contour Kit, and I'm gonna use the darker contour. Kim recommends to do a big 3 like this. I'm gonna blend that out with the brush that it comes with. This product is incredibly creamy, so I really like that about it. It doesn't dry fast at all, which is really great. I'm going back in with the lighter side of the contour to now contour my nose. When I contour my nose, I really like it to come in to a point. The color is really great. I really do like the color a lot. And then I go back in with the brush I used with foundation, and I just go over that. Go in with the highlight. I'm gonna go in with the matte side of the highlight first and just draw a quick highlight down the bridge of my nose, and I like to do a little ball point like that, like that, and like that. And then I blend it out with the tip side. This brush surprisingly works really well. I was really surprised at the application that it gave. And then I'm gonna go in with the shimmer side of the highlight and just give myself a nice shimmery highlight, so it's above my lip. And just the ball of my nose. Now that we've let our eyes set, I'm gonna go in with the eye makeup. It comes with 10 different makeup shades, and I went in with this orangey, brownie, neutral, just contour color. And I went in and just blended that out above my eye towards my brow bone as my transition shade. With all of my transition shades, I go like this, just to give it more of like a sharp winged edge. And I connect it to the nose contour that I just did. When you're working with colors like these, you just want to take your time blending and making sure all the colors are seamless. So that's all I did for the transition, and then I went straight into the blue. The eye look is actually pretty easy, so I just go in with that blue eyeshadow. Quite a bit of fallout, but that's what I expected. I just pressed in the beginning. I just pressed like that. If you want to put baking powder underneath, that would be a good idea. I didn't because I was pressed for time the day of, but I just draw my eyelid shape first. I wanted to make sure that the shape of the blue complemented my natural eyelid shape. So I really like the way that it rounds out, and then I'm gonna just wing it at the end a little bit. So I know how insane this looks right now, but I'm gonna go in with this brown shade here and just blend that all together. Go back in with the blue onto the base of the eyelid, because sometimes when you blend it out, it kind of like runs away. Going in with a clean blending brush, I'm going to go back into that brown color and then really just work it in that crease. I'm dragging that color underneath my lash line. Now that I've gotten the shape of the blue and I really like the way that it's transitioning, I'm really just going to build up that blue and make it much more electric. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. I think that's like the biggest thing I've recently learned. But when you do use color, you just want to blend everything out together. Then I went in with my Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter, and this highlight is just super electric, super yellow, so it gave the inner corner of my eyes like just this gorgeous pop of color. And I took that color like right in the inner corner and also down towards the bottom tear duct area. I did run it all the way inside towards my nose, and then I took it all the way up, just kind of faded it out. And then I'll just go in with another clean eyeshadow brush. So I went in with these two colors to do my eyebrow bone highlight. Honestly, if you mess up, it's okay because you're gonna go in with eyeliner and lashes, and honestly, those two things make every makeup look way better. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and then I'll be right back. So after I finish my eyeliner, I just curl my lashes, and then apply a bit of mascara on. Of course, I get mascara on my nose. So when I do that, I just take a little spoolie. So for my birthday lashes, I use these ones from Amazon actually, and I just found them on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. I don't even know what they're called. Glam Volume Sexy 3D 15. I don't know. I'm just gonna apply my lashes now, and then I will be right back. So I've got my eyelashes on now. I am completed with the eye makeup. Personally, I'm not like the best at makeup. I think there is a lot that I still have to learn, but I just really like this makeup look. And then for my highlight, I do go back in with the KKW Beauty, and I went in with this kind of goldy color with a touch of that like whitish glittery color, and just took it in my highlight here. I really wanted to use the KKW Beauty lip liner and lipstick that I purchased, but it was really dark, you guys. Like, the color is not very good with this eye look. It's really brown, and as you can see, like if I had that all over my lips, it would be really dark. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Natural Lip Pencil in the color number Natural 810, and I do fill my lips in. So those are my lips filled in with the NYX Natural Lip Pencil. Then I'll go in with my nude number 4 lipstick from KKW. Just filling in the outside. You guys, the thing is with this lipstick, like I was expecting so much more, and I don't want to say that I was let down, but like the smell of the lipstick smells really cheap. Like it smells like the lipstick I used to buy from like Claire's. Like it almost smells like Play-Doh, kind of. If you can see like the back of my lipstick, it's like pushed into the actual tube because I am really soft with my lipstick, you guys. I barely press. But it was so weak, and the whole lipstick would wobble back and forth the first moment I put it on. And that's just a little disappointing, I guess. Like the packaging is really cute and everything like that, but yeah, that smell. I can't get over that smell. It smells like fake lipstick, like fake Play-Doh lipstick. Palette was really great. The blue could have been more pigmented, that's for sure. When you look at it next to the yellow is really poppin'. Cream contour, really great. Love the product. I really liked most of the things that I purchased. So that is the completed makeup look. This is what I wore for my 22nd birthday with my Fashion Nova dress. So if you want direct links to all of these items, I will leave them down below, so make sure you check out the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I will talk to you guys all in the next video. Bye!